Hi, welcome to our channel. I'm going to talk about how to use FastBulkMailer. This video has 3 parts. 1. How to add account and SMTP account. 2. How to create the email template. 3. How to create a task to send emails. You can change software layout. The first part. Add an account category. Input a random category name. You can set the number of emails of an account can send. Add an email account directly. Input the proxy. Or you can import multiple accounts. Format like this. You can export the accounts. Add SMTP accounts. Input SMTP server. SMTP port. Protocol. Add a random category name. Add account, password. Select proxy type. Add proxy. The second part, create the email template. Add a random template name. Tick those 2 conditions to insert some variable and random text. Click Open. You can import content from file, HTML, text. You can add an attachment here. Click Open Folder. You can find the attachment file. Add a template under the template category. Input title and body. Click Save. Add random text and variable text. Format is shown. How to insert variable text. I'll talk about this in task settings. Next part, create a task. Add a random task name. In this section, only shows account and template category. Select account. Select template. If you do not use variable text, you can input the email address in TXT file. Use variable text. Input the email address and variable text in CSV file. Format like this. Mark the column as email. Mark the column as variables. Send to CC, BCC. I send one recipient in an email. Stands for how many emails can be sent at the same time. When sending email, amount reach to the amount. The software will send one email to you. Input the email address to receive this email. Maximum is 3 email addresses. Click Start to run the task. Sending email. 4 emails have been sent. Let me check the received email. This is a variable text. Has changed what I insert in variable column. Use high in random text. That's all. Thanks for watching.